Welcome to How to Webmaster. Get this free guide on TikTok marketing. See the download link below. Learn how to promote your business by using TikTok. Since March 2019, there had been over 1 billion installs of TikTok. The TikTok social media platform has seen explosive growth over the last 2 years. It now has 500 million users that are desperate for fun and exciting content. And over 26 million of these users are from the United States. And this is a massive opportunity for you to promote your business. Access this free guide now, and you will learn how to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. You will learn that a number of businesses and organizations have already leveraged TikTok to increase brand awareness tremendously. You will learn how to engage with your audience on TikTok. You will learn how to create viral videos and grow your TikTok account. You will know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. Grab this 38-page ebook guide and learn to get started with TikTok marketing today. Discover inside. What is TikTok and why should you care? Getting started with TikTok. Creating content. TikTok hashtags. Marketing strategy. TikTok ads. TikTok use cases to inspire you. TikTok analytics and best practices. Check out the download link below in the video description. No sign up required. No upsells. No strings attached. Thanks for viewing. Please subscribe to our channel, How to Webmaster, for more free internet marketing content. Thanks again, and happy marketing!